tables. Tables, we should come to know about the tables. So tables, you should come to know about whatever the data we are doing in the front end, whether it is from SPRO screen and end user screen. Okay, where the data is stored, in the database in the form of tables. Why tables? Sometimes, okay, you want to see the 1,000 documents, say for example. Okay, so there is some mistake happened. End user came to you. He told that so in this document we have so many mistakes. There are 1,000 documents are there. In FB03, can you check one by one documents? Can you see that? No. In this case, I will go to SC16. Okay, I'll tell you SC16 transaction code. SC16 transaction code. I'll tell you what is the table name. Later, I tell you everything this. I go to SC16. See, these are how many documents, one document numbers. Suppose I have posted. Let us imagine. Okay, up to where? Okay, how many documents are there? So many are there. These all I can export to Excel sheet. If I export this to Excel sheet so that I can easily check where it is, any calculation error, where is that I can verify that. Otherwise, can you verify the all documents in FB03 one by one? Is it? It is possible?
No.
No. That is the reason, as a FICO consultant, we should be familiar with these things. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 documents I can upload to the, I will show you how to work on the tables. I will show you. Okay, that in the next class, I will show you how we can export the Excel sheet to the this data to the Excel sheet. I will show you that. So, by whatever the data, whether it is configuration data or end user testing data, whatever end user data, whatever it is, not testing data, end user data, whatever the data, SPR string, SAP is axis. Okay, so your end user posted so many documents. He wanted to check what exactly happened. He's not able to find out the balances, whatever it is. So in this case, we have to go to the table. We have to extract the table, whatever you want. Okay, so that is the reason. How I know which table? Again, I entered here before I want to see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 documents. Okay, what I did, I entered one table. Go back. I entered one table. BKPF. What is BKPF? Remember. So BKPF is header data will be stored. If you want to see the header data means again what? Suppose I go to F-02. I go to F-02. What is this? This is header data. This is called header data. So document date, posting date, document type, period, company code. This is called header data. That is called header. We can see this in not only F-02. We can see in F-43 also, right? F-22 is also header data will be there or not? All the data, header data, whether it is F-02, F-22, F-43, you want to see means you should go for BKPF. You can see what in BKPF, what you can see only document type, period, company code, currency, only you can see. Okay, BKPF. BSEG. BSEG means segment level. If I go for BSEG, I can see posting key and GL account number and profit center text. Is it right or not? That is called segment level. Suppose I'll show you. BKPF is what? Header data, whether it is F-02, F-22, F-40. Segment means posting key. After giving posting key, whatever the fields you enter, posting key and GL account, text, amount, again 50 posting key, again text, amount, that is called segment level. If you want to see those data, you should go for BSEG table. BKPF means only header part. This is understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And here BSIS. If I go for BSIS, only GL open items we can. BSAS means only cleared items. We know GL open items, right? Payable items. If I want to see any data from the table, only open items means BSIS. BSAS means cleared items only if you want to see. That is for only FI. Okay, GL open item, cleared item. In the same way, if you want to see BSIK, not only FI, this is for GL. Okay, GL open item, BSA is for cleared item. BSIK only vendor. I'll send this. Okay, BSIK there I can see only vendor open items. BSAK table I can see only cleared items. BSID. ID for customer open items, BSAD for customer cleared items. Okay, so these are this thing. Okay, BKPF, BSAG is what? BKPF header data from the FDAS 22, 23, 43, whatever. Segment level BSCG, which is FDAS 02, FDAS 22, 43, wherever you post, segment level. Okay, but remember, and one more thing. SKA1, if you create the GLs at chart of accounts level, I told you, no, a chart of accounts FSP0, by using FSP0, I create the GLs in the tables where you can see SKA1. If you want to see the GLs at company code level, XKB1. So these are main things you should remember. These are the tables, are very important. You should be familiar with them. Okay, so now let me show you how we can see the tables. Okay, suppose I'll go for BKPF. Okay, BSEG. BKPF I have shown, BSEG we will go. What is the T code? SC16. 1 second.
Madam, tables only for display purpose, right?
What's, you know?
Tables only display purpose, right?
Not display purpose. 1 second, I'll show you first. Let me show you. SC16. I'm going to SC16. BKPF, or else let me show you BSEG. BSEG is for what? Segment level data. Enter. So BUKRS means company code. Do you remember once I told you for every field there is one technical name? Do you remember?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. In FDAS0, so if you press, suppose I'm there in the FS00, okay. Here press help. If you want to see the company code technical field name, press enter help. Field name is BUKRS. Okay. So you should familiar with the field name. No need all of them. Company code, GL account, profit center, cost center, document number. These fields name, if you remember, that is enough. Okay. I'm there in the, yes, come again. First, I enter the SC16. I want to see the segment level. Suppose BSEG, enter. BUKRS means company code, N16. Execute. Segment level. So what you can see? Tell me. Posting key, right? Amount, debit or credit, right? It is not only for display, Srinu, what I'm telling. you can export this to your Excel sheet. Then if you want, you can verify them there. And not only that, sometimes we have masked T code. There I can do some changes directly in the table also. I will show you that later. Okay. We can do some changes in the table level. Suppose 10 GL accounts are there. Those 10 GL accounts, I want 1000 GL accounts are there. Say for example, those 1000 GL accounts, I want to block them. So don't want to use them. So I come to MS Mars T code. So there in the Mars T code, I can directly go for tables. There I can do the changes. I can block all the 1000 GLs in the table level. So automatically in the front end also, those 1000 GLs will not available. Some transaction we can do at the table level also. Okay. And not only that, suppose your client requires some new report, some specific report he asked. It is not there in your SAP standard. Report means is what? Suppose vendor is there for one vendor. Okay, he wants to see his open items only with some specific requirement. Okay, so in this case, that report is not available in the SAP system. What we do know, with the help of ABAPer, we have to develop the programs. We don't do anything programming and all. I have to tell him. So our client is requiring something vendor report. Okay, he wants to see the vendor report with these balances. So in this case, we have to tell him the table name and the field name. Okay, and we have to give him logic. Logic means this is the table, this is the field name, and he's asking this. We have to give him input so that he can develop the report. So in this case also we should familiar with this. Okay, understood, Chinu?
Yeah,
Other?
yes. Yeah.
Okay, so we should tell them, okay, vendor open items related some report he is asking. ABAPer without, we should give some inputs to him, no? Without it. So suppose I should tell him, if I go for DSIK table, there we can see the open items in the table. So those report we can extract, those fields we can extract, we can able to develop the report. So this BSIK table, you should tell to the BSIK table, and the vendor number means something. LFA1, I think. LFA1 is the field name for the vendor. Let's see. Vendor. LFA1. Okay, I think LFA1 something. Okay, leave it. Okay, so LFA1, this is a vendor number field. Okay, and BK, BSIK. If you go for BSIK table, okay, and the field name is LFA1, I think. LFA1 vendor number. Okay, so you have to give the table name, field name. Okay, then you should, then with the help of the table name, field name, you can develop the report. Okay, so you should familiar with all these things. So here, BSEG. Again going back, so BSEG, enter. So end user told that there is some problem in the segment level. This profit center is not updated. This not updated. He told that. So then, how I can verify all these things? So now I'll take this to the Excel sheet. Then I will check. Okay, this also I will show you how to change and all. I will show you. This is the way we should be more familiar with the tables. Okay, these tables I will forward. Okay, 1 second. forward you. Okay, just remember these tables. No need to remember all of them. Okay, these tables. What is the transaction code? SC60. Okay, and then any questions here, please, Ramya, and please tell me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, na?
No, madam.
Okay.
Madam, interview level, this table is important, madam.
Yeah. They will ask you which table you work. Means you should tell me some tables. You can tell these tables. That's it. Maximum these tables we can work in. I'll forward this. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Please note this one. Transaction code is SC60. SC60. Okay. And next, I'll show you in the next class how to work on the tables. Okay. This is important. Yeah.